हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे चैनल नरेश जोशी को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए रेड कलर के सब्सक्राइब बटन को प्रेस कीजिए। जैसे मेरी वीडियो अपलोड होते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए, उसके लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म द एक्सपेरिमेंट दैट इज द ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट. Okay, this is test for the transformer. Transformer is under test. So here we are using the transformer. See, this is your transformer, and this side is the normally primary and this is the secondary. But here, according to our experiment, we will consider this as a primary and this is a secondary, because see, this is the low voltage side. Here 115 volt is low voltage and 230 is what here? High voltage. So according to our practical in open circuit, what we will do? We will consider a high voltage on the secondary side and low voltage on the primary side. So in this case, this is our primary side and this is our secondary side. Okay, so we will make the open circuit. That means we have to open this secondary winding. Clear? So and this is our watt meter. So it will measure the input power, and this is the our ampere meter. Is we measure the input current, that is AC current. Okay, and that is the voltmeter. So it will measure the rated voltage. Okay, and this is the variac. Okay, this is a variac. So in using this variac, we will supply the voltage. Okay, so now you will see how can I make the connection. So see, first see this diagram. In this diagram, this is the what? Variac. According to this variac, I will make the connection. So this complete part is, we can say, completely variac. So this is our variac. Okay, this is our variac. So positive terminal of variac is goes to positive terminal of the ammeter. So I will connect the, see, so this is positive terminal of variac. Okay, so this is positive, is goes to positive of the ammeter. So this is the positive of the ammeter, and then negative of this ammeter is goes to M, watt meter M. So watt meter M is this one, and this is the negative of ammeter is goes to M. So I will connect this wire is here, and see, this is the, okay, so negative is goes to the M. Now next is M is short circuited with C. So we will make this M is short circuited with C. So this is the C and this is M. So we will short circuit this one. So this is short circuited. Okay, now see, this L is goes to the transformer primary winding. This is low voltage winding. So low voltage winding. So this is L, and the wire of L is connected to the, this wire of L is connected to the primary positive. So this is the primary one, 100. We have considered here 115 volts. So we have connected, this one is here. Next, second, and V, wattmeter V, this V is goes to negative terminal of the transformer. So negative terminal is here. This is actually, this is the negative, but we have mentioned here red, but it is negative. So this is the negative transformer. Next, we have to connect the voltmeter across the transformer. So positive of voltmeter. So positive of voltmeter is connected to and positive of transformer. This is the positive. Okay, so this is the positive. Clear? Now you will see, this is the positive of the voltmeter is connected to transformer, and negative of transformer, this negative is connected with negative transformer. So this is negative is connected with this negative of transformer. Now one connection is remaining. This variac negative is connected, that is ground is connected to negative of the transformer. So I will connect this wire, negative of variac. This negative of variac is connected to negative of transformer. So this negative of transformer is this one. Here this is red, but it is negative. Okay friends, and this is the black, but this is the positive here. So okay, so this is our complete connection. Now you will see this connection is completed here. So now we will start our experiment. See, I will connect to this one, connect to power supply, and switch on this one. Okay, so now you will see, I will increase the voltage slowly here. So up to 150 volt I will increase. So clear? So now I am starting the increasing the voltage. Here you will see, this is the knob, and this knob is increasing. Now you see this, I am increasing the voltage. Here you will see start the wattmeter is reading of wattmeter is also increasing, voltmeter is also increasing, and slowly current also will increase, you will see. So I will show you all the reading. So first of all I will increase it up to 115. Now you will see this is near about 115 volt. So this is the what is our rated voltage, 115 volt. This is our first reading from the voltmeter. This is 150 approximately I have taken. Now wattmeter reading. This is the wattmeter reading. So here you will see this is 40 and this is 50. So between this we can say it is the 44. Okay. So this is 44 watt. Okay. And ampere meter reading is what? Near about it is 1 ampere. You will see this is all 1 ampere. Okay. So we will write down here. No load primary current is here what? 1 ampere. Okay friends, so this is the reading of our wattmeter. So this is a complete experiment for the testing of the open circuit test for transformer. Okay friends, so thank you very much. Start. So friends, this is our open circuit transformer test. So this is a circuit diagram. Now you will see we have already performed the experiment and we have measured the following intent. So in the open circuit test, what you do, we will open the secondary winding. Okay, so here secondary winding is open and primary winding is connected here. But here say primary winding is low voltage and secondary winding is high voltage side. Okay, so high voltage means we have, this is the 230 volt side and this is what 150 volt. And we have taken the reading, these three readings, we note, okay, this is rated voltage 115 volt. And no load primary current is 1 ampere and wattmeter measure the 44 watt. Okay, so according to this we will first calculate the power factor. So how can we measure the power factor? So this is a equation of the power factor. W naught equals to V1 I naught cos phi. Okay, cos phi naught we also can say. So cos phi naught is what? We know that the power factor. So here we measure the W naught. This is Wi, sorry, this is Wi. Okay, so Wi, this is what? 44 upon V1 is 115 into 1. So this is, if you simplify this in our calculation, so what is the answer? Answer is near about 0.3826. Okay, so this is the power factor. Next we will measure the I mu and I magnetizing current and working current. This is the what? Magnetizing current and this is what? Working current. So magnetizing current equation is what? I naught sin phi naught. So I naught, so we know the value of I naught, we have measured the I naught is equals to 1 into sin phi naught. So here we know the value of cos phi naught is this one. So what about the phi naught? Phi naught is equals to cos inverse 0.3826. So what is this? This is nothing but sine. This is, so this is 67.31. Okay, so this is the value of phi naught. So this value we will put here 67.31. So we will get the value of the I mu, and this is what? So 1 into sine 67.31. Sine 67.31. So this is what? 0.9226. Okay, and similarly we will calculate this I naught equals to 1 cos phi naught is the 67.31. So we will get this is what? This is I think 0.3826 we will get. Okay, so 0.31. So yes, 38.26. This is almost similar. Okay, so now you will see. Next we will calculate the R naught and X naught. So R naught is what? V1 upon IW. So V1 is, we have measured, V1 is, sorry, here V naught is here. So this is what? V naught. So V naught equals to 115 upon IW is what here? IW is, we have calculated 0.3826. So final answer is here 300.57 ohm. Okay, and next is, this is again V naught. So 115 upon I mu. So I mu is 0.9226. So this is 124.64 Okay, so this is the parameter we have to calculate in the open circuit. Okay friends, thank you very much.